Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain you how you can use your TI Inspire to find the integral of any function. So here what I have done, I have actually written a function for you which is minus x square plus 16, and we have to find the definite integral from -4 to +4. So these are known as the limit, this is known as the lower limit of the integral, and this is known as the upper limit of the integral. So this is my function. So what I have to do in order to find the integral, I will open my calculator, TI Inspire. I will go on menu. I will click on add calculator. After that, you can see a button which is on the right hand side of this button 9. So press that. You have to look for the integral symbol. You can see we can have derivative, second derivative. So here is my integral symbol. I will select that. And I will first put my lower limit, which was -4. Then I will enter the function, which was negative x square plus 16, and my upper limit, which is 4, and then I will put my integral, which is dx, because x is my variable, so I must write dx over here, and I will press enter. That's my answer, which is 85.33. Now let's discuss what is the graphical interpretation of this integral. So in order to do so, I am going to add a graph, and here I will add this graph, which is my function is negative x square plus 16. I entered it. I will zoom out a little bit because I am not able to see it properly, so we can zoom it out. Here we are, and then I am going to look for its zeros. So you're right, it is intersecting at -4 and +4 to the x-axis. So let's take the screenshot of it. Here we are. So it is intersecting at -4 and +4, and when I am saying integral, finding integral of -4 to 4 of negative x square plus 16 dx, basically the graphical interpretation is we are looking at the area between the curve and the x-axis. So this area is 85.33 square units, and this we got using our calculator. Let's take an integral of some trigonometric functions. So here I have already taken this example. So I am going to integrate sine x from 0 to pi. If you want, I can just make a new one for you. So add calculator. Here we are going to find the integral. So we look at the button which is right side of 9, integral symbol. I'm going to integrate from 0, and here I will write trig sine x, my variable is x, and my upper limit is pi, so I can find pi here, which is beside h. So pi, press enter, that's your area. So now look at its graphical interpretation again. So for doing that, let's go to graph, menu, graph entry edit. I'm going to delete my previous function, and I'm going to add my new function, which is sine x, sine bracket x, else you won't get the graph. Okay, so here we are, this is what we are having. So I have integrated it. I will first zoom it in a little bit so that we can see it properly. Here we are. So analyze the graph, look at the 0. So it is intersecting at 0 and 3.14. So I have deliberately taken an example where we are just looking at the one of the loop of sine graph. So let's take the screenshot. This is my 0, this is my pi. So when I am saying integral of sine x from 0 to pi, which came out to be 2 square units, it's basically the area between the sine x and the x-axis between 0 to pi. And there's a very interesting thing. What will happen if I will find the area from pi to -pi? So let's see what will happen on the calculator. So here I am just going to copy it, and I will paste it here, and I'm going to change the limit. My lower limit, now my upper limit is going to be 2 pi, and my lower limit is going to be pi. And let's press enter. You'll see it is -2, and this -2 only denotes that this area that we have got, this area is basically this part which is below the x-axis. That's why you get negative. So whenever you have to find the area, there's one graphical interpretation is very, very important to know which part of the area you're finding. Are you finding the area above the x-axis or are you finding below the x-axis? If you're getting negative area, it basically means that you're finding the area which is below the x-axis and the curve. So I hope this video made sense to you. I hope this made sense to you. If you have any further question, any further doubt, please put it in the comment section and I will try to make videos on those part as well. Thank you for watching.